Sound boy. God dang it. I need your help. I actually almost overlooked one of the most key details, which was that exhaust system and the sound. After Aaron had told me how important it was to him, I decided that I would just catalog the sound digitally. I want to record the exhaust system on this car. The owner wants the sound exactly the same as it is right now, so I can't even change the exhaust on it. He loves the sound of it. That's all I know. He loves the sound of it, and that's what I've got to put back. I'll detail it, but it needs to sound the same. So if he comes up here and says it sounds different, I'll be able to show him the graph of exactly, it's the exact same duplicate audio, just CSI stuff. Got that, sound boy? So I had sound boy come over, put the microphone against the two pipes, measure it at 1,000 RPM, 2,000 RPM. Then we can put it on one of those funny graphs that shows all the peaks and everything, so we can actually look at it that way. I'm gonna probably want it like right here in the middle. That way, it'll take both audios and put them together. He can't say the left pipe's louder. I mean, they're great guys, but I ain't dying for somebody's exhaust not being the same. There's no way I'm going down for the wrong exhaust. You know, I'm a businessman. You know, Chrome Dome thinks it's so damn funny when he scares people. It's immature. No! He'll zap you in the ribs when your back's turned to him. He'll make a loud noise to shock you. So he had the horn honking coming. Oh, I got you! Good! That's a payback for the other day. I just wasn't actually intending it to hit Royal. I didn't realize that his head was closer to the horn than Darren's. It was actually intended for Darren. But yeah, it's payback. That's great. Nothing makes me happier. Okay, go ahead and kill it.
I got solid lifters in
Yeah, solid
I
lifter.
can hear them rattling, yeah. I like it. Sounds good.
Document in your file that is at 2,000 RPM, a steady 2,000 and a rev to 3,500. Okay, let's get this thing apart. What are you waiting for, Alice? Raise it up, Chrome Dome. You get the light?
Yes, I
Did you see me scare Royal?
did. Don't we want it down?
We're gonna take the rear axle out of it first.
Okay.
Where were you? Were you not there for that?
Sorry, Mark.
Well, can I lift this up a little higher?
Well, I won't be able to reach it if you do.
Okay, well, you know, I'm straining my back.
You're 30 years old, man.
I don't care. I don't want to strain my back.
crap. If you head down that road, you're Darren in 6 months.
Okay, well, now here's the part where I would scream at you. All I'm asking is, can I lift this
How
up?
about you don't do anything, you just fetch us stuff as we need it. I need a box to put the rear suspension pieces in, preferably one of the plastic totes somewhere.
Good. Glad we're on the same page for once. He keeps pushing me to the point to where I want to scream at him and tell him to shut the hell up. But, you know, I'm not going to stoop down to his level.
They say the first step to recovery is admitting you got a problem. Josh doesn't want to admit it, that's fine. But I have seen that there are support groups for screamers.
Mark's an antagonist. I'm going to break his nose.